Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Board Trading Academy with Victor. For today we're having the second idea, which is based on the euro versus Australian dollar. You all know that we had Australian Swiss franc long-term very bullish. I will get back to this idea just in a moment, but here's another idea I think it's worth sharing with you. And what we have is a potential downtrend continuation on the euro Australian dollar. We see the average price downtrend trend line. There was a clean rejection of this trend line. Another thing is the Fibonacci applied to the last wave to the downside, where we see 61.8 Fips. It has been rejected along with the average price downtrend trend line. Then price has produced a double top here and broke below 50 simple moving average. This is a quite bearish scenario for the pair, and I think it will most likely move towards 162.00 psychological support. The closest to that is 23.6 Fips, which you can see here, and that is the potential of 200 pips on this idea. In regards to the stop loss, we have the exit above, just above this high produced here, just to make sure, but it seems like it won't be pulling back so much. If price will be going above this line, the trade idea will be invalidated and we can expect the move to the upside from this point onwards. But for now, double top break below the simple moving average. We have a rejection of the average price trend line, and just to zoom it in, here we saw this rejection. Then if I move to the daily chart, there was no break and close above. Price spiked, but no closing price above the spike, which means this resistance is valid, and I think price will move towards this support area. There was a bounces on this around this level, and it most likely will be going towards that. And another thing, if we apply the downtrend trend line to these two highs, here is how long it might take. It's actually, price might actually get there by the 27th of August, 26th, 27th, around a 1 week, over one trading week, but this could be the case. So looking very, very nice in terms of the selling opportunity. Here is the idea. Basically, the entry price is at the moving average. We see the break below the moving average. Currently, a price retraced back, and if there will be 4 hour below the previously made low, it could be an excellent selling opportunity, because this resistance will prove to be holding and price might be starting to move down from this point onwards. So this, guys, is the second idea for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a quick run up through the previous ideas. Euro Swiss franc has reached the target very fast. I think it will pull back towards the target level and then will continue moving down. Silver, what we have is the break below the support, which is getting extremely bearish for the time being. Now this level should be acting as the resistance, and then perhaps price will continue moving down. Gold, what we have is also quite a nice move to the downside, along with multiple Swiss currency pairs, CHF related. Pound, here we would have fixed half profit, the stop loss at the break even, so waiting what will happen next. Canadian Swiss franc, we are having a nice wave to the upside. I think the target will be reached. One of my favorite ideas, along with Australian Swiss franc. Pound Swiss franc, we are moving slowly towards the target. Half profit should be fixed, stop loss at the break even. Australian dollar, it most likely will consolidate, but I still expect the upside resistance to be tested. Euro Swiss franc, we see this nice move. Very soon we might test the resistance. Australian Swiss franc, so this one is the long term, and we know that Australian Swiss franc is correlated to the Euro Australian dollar, and while Australian Swiss will be going up, Euro Swiss should be going down. If that's the case, both ideas should be looking pretty good. And also, just to remind you that all the information presented in this video was for educational purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. And finally, guys, we are launching a premium signals. There will be a Telegram group where we'll be providing signals Forex potentially, and maybe on the cryptocurrencies as well, the top cryptocurrencies that can be traded on the Forex brokers. And if you're interested in that, smash a like, let me know what you think about this service, whether you will be joining or not. If not, what are the reasons? If yes, why? And so on. I would like to open this discussion with you and answer all the questions you might have. So thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with some interesting analysis. Talk to you soon, and good trading to you.